So what are wireframes in IT industry? If you have not installed Balsamiq as of yet, you can install Balsamiq from this link, www.balsamiq.com/download. For a copy of this presentation, you can WhatsApp at my number. So what are wireframes in IT industry? Wireframes are a skeletal sketch of the user interface for the software to be built. Our focus is on the user interface or the UI, and it is the skeletal sketch. So it is not very detailed. It just provides you a glimpse or a view of where the UI elements, so say for example buttons, for example image placeholders, video placeholders, labels, input text boxes will be placed. And wireframe preparation is taken up at the start of the UI development process. So right at the start. Those of you who are new to this wireframe development activity, if you prepare a wireframe, and this what you see here on the screen is a sample of a mobile app, a wireframe will look something like this. And the utility of wireframe is that you can come up with the user interface or the first look of the UI for the application to be developed. So no need to program, no need to build, you see, working software, no need to run sprints. As you discuss requirements with your clients, you can prepare the wireframes, share this UI with your client, and the client will get a better idea of what is in store and how the application will come up. So the client will provide the feedback. As a business analyst or as a product manager or as a product owner, you share your understanding about the product or the project, an output on which the whole team can collaborate. This lacks color. This is gray and white.